When I was researching, I spoke to students, I checked online, I found GCU has this thing about the academic excellence that comes with real life applications.
We expose students to the skills that they need to be able to measure various health issues and health events in order to then be able to prescribe what sort of interventions are out there in order to be able to deal with such health issues.
The modules are very modern, contemporary, area-oriented, like advanced research methods, epidemiology, applied statistics.
We are able to make informed policies with group, having to dialogue. Everybody's going to bring out their opinion and they would give reason why they feel like their own policy is the best. I think that's like my favorite part of being on the course, just having to work with groups.
Students that have come out of this program have gone into various sectors. Some have been to National Health Service in the UK. We've had someone who has gone to work with Medicine Frontiers. We have got some students who have gone to become leaders in public health with national governments and advise governments about policies. We have had students who have even gone to work with the World Health Organization.
This place is beautiful. You see every part of the world you see somewhere. When you look around, you find people from all parts of the world here. And there is so much opportunity. You can do your networking, there's conferences, meetings and workshops and everything you want.
Brickland is famous for its vintage history and food. The location is very prime in the heart of London. It's a historical city, diverse and multicultural city, and London is a very influential city. So if someone can get a degree from London, it is globally recognized and admired. So it's a very positive thing to study here in GCU London.